Steve Hammerstoffer is having some fantastic luck of late. Since November he has released the plans of the Nokia 9 PureView, the Sony's Xperia XZ4 and XZ4 Compact, the Galaxy S10 Plus, and even a couple of mid-extent gadgets. Also, today, in organization with 91 Mobiles, he is back with one more leader, the Huawei P30. Agreeing with past desires, the Huawei P30 brings various unobtrusive structure changes that have a significant effect. In advance, the tremendous jaw, which used to be home to a unique mark scanner, has been supplanted with a fundamentally littler bezel. In like manner, the wide score highlighted on the current-age Huawei P20 has been swapped out for a subtler option. These two components have permitted Huawei to extend the board to 6 inches. Investigating the cell phone's back, Huawei has kept up the vertical camera setup that it presented a year ago. This time around, however, it has been stretched out marginally downwards so as to consolidate a third 20-megapixel wide-point camera. Discussing which, this is set to go with the principal 40-megapixel sensor and a second 5-megapixel Fax 1. Other inconspicuous changes come as another double LED glimmer which is never gained ground, and the highlighted power catch like the one seen on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Furthermore, the Huawei P30 will likewise observe the arrival of the relevant 3.5mm earphone jack, which was missing from a year ago's lineup, and the presentation of an in-show unique finger impression scanner. The Huawei P30 is right now expected to make its presentation close by the Huawei P30 Pro and Huawei P30 Lite in late March or early April. On the other hand, Huawei could present the lineup's declaration to MWC 2019 in February.